Hello there, welcome everybody, it's Diorama Don here. So I made my two Sherman tanks in the previous 2 or 3 videos. One a Tamiya kit and another I made from cardboard. So I thought I would utilise them both in this diorama rather than just bombed out buildings all the time. This is a town hall facade that you might find in any northern French town of the time. Very easy to do, nice and straightforward. So we'll get into the video as to how I went about making it. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, the all button, and you will be notified when new videos come along. So we'll get on with the video and I'll show you how I went about making it. So I want the subject to be 2 tanks on a road in front of a French village town hall. So the building needs to look quite architecturally important. So I've cut a piece of 2mm card as usual. Quite simple looking for now, but try to make it look as architecturally interesting as I can. So we've got 4 windows and a door. So we need to make it look a lot more interesting. So for the windows, I cut 3 triangles and stuck them together to make a good, reasonably good thickness, and then surrounded with more 2mm cardboard, and that will sit at the top like that. And we've got 2 pieces to make like columns either side, and then a bit at the bottom and that in there. So that will make the windows look much more interesting. Okay, so I've got 4 of those to stick on there. So that's the window. Then for the door, I've cut out the shape of the door that I want, that will fit around what I've cut out already, but I want it proud of the front of the building. So I've cut out the same shape with polystyrene, so that will sit on there, and then that on there, and that will give a much better looking shape to the building there. And then I can put columns either side, which will be, if I can find, I've got some 5mm doweling, and I'll wrap that round this corrugated sheet. I don't know if you can hear the thunder at the moment. Wrap that around as many times as I like to get the diameter of a column. Obviously it will be painted a different colour, but that will go either side of the doorway like so. What I cut out here, I've made a smaller version of, so I can put that back in there to make that look a bit more interesting. And then a frame around the door, and then I've made this, which is just a length of polystyrene covered in 2mm cardboard, and then put this I don't know, architrave shape at the top there, and that will sit on top of the building like that. Okay, so what I need to do is stick it all together. So I'll go away and do all that, come back, and we'll see what the building looks like then. So I finished my building off, put all the bits and pieces of card that I cut all over the front there. Where the front was raised by that piece of 1/2-inch polystyrene, I blocked all that in with card as well, so you can't see that. So I think that looks quite impressive. I've made all the windows, the 4 windows, and a piece of, I don't know if you can see it, a piece of acetate at the back there, and then an old piece of net curtain. So they will sit like that along the back, and then for the door just a simple design, and that will go there. Okay, the columns, I've changed my mind. I didn't like the corrugated card that I put round, so I'll just leave them bare like that. So when it's all painted up, then I'll just put those in as they are, really decent colour as they are. Okay, so we've got the base all done. I just need to put my cobbled road in front there. I shall use grey tile grout as usual. I've made cobbled streets many times now, so please refer to previous videos. And then I've got the path that will go on there, and then that on there. Okay, so I'm ready for finishing off now. I'll go ahead and finish it and come back and we'll see what the end result looks like. Okay, so finished the whole project off now. Put my cobbled street in, which I've covered on a number of previous videos if you're interested. Painted the building with a sandstone colour, again tile grout. Made French flag. The street lamps I made in a previous video, a few videos ago. Just thought that would add a little more to it. So all that remains now is to add the two Shermans. And I think you'll agree that's a pretty good way of displaying your military vehicle. Just a different idea, rather than burnt out and bombed out buildings all the time. They weren't all bombed. There were some still remaining. So we've got the Shermans going through a French village there, passing the town hall. Okay, so there we are, just another idea to toy with. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell, click the all button, and you'll be notified when new videos come along. So again, thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, I wish you the very best of happy modelling.